I recently stayed at the DoubleTree by Hilton London XL, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience.
When we arrived, the staff were super friendly and welcoming, which was a great start to our stay. We even got some warm cookies right at check-in, which was a nice little bonus. The check-in process itself was really smooth and quick, no hassle at all. It felt like they really had things organized, making our arrival totally stress-free. Room, bathroom, and the amenities.
The room was super clean and spacious, which is always a win in my book. The bed was seriously comfortable, and I got some great sleep. The bathroom was also spotless with a nice shower, and it was awesome having a hairdryer and a tea/coffee maker right there. Plus, the air conditioning kept the room at the perfect temperature, which was a lifesaver. The location and surroundings. The location was pretty sweet, especially since it was super close to where we needed to be, like the Excel Exhibition Center, which was just a 3-minute walk away. It was also really convenient being near a DLR station, making it easy to hop on public transport and get around. Even though it's not right in the middle of all the touristy spots, it's a nice, quiet area with some cool views by the lake. Plus, being so close to London City Airport was a major bonus for us, and we didn't even hear the planes from our room.
Food, drinks, and dining options. When it comes to food, I was pretty happy with the options here. They have a restaurant on site, which is super convenient, and I heard some people rave about how amazing it was. I definitely took advantage of the breakfast, and it was a solid spread. A good quality full English breakfast with plenty of options, including fruit and even gluten-free choices. While some said the breakfast could be a bit pricey, I thought it was worth it for the convenience and quality. Plus, they have vegan options too, which is awesome. What's it like to stay here? Staying here, I felt like the staff really went out of their way to make sure I was comfortable, even upgrading my room, which was a pleasant surprise. The room itself was really clean and spacious, which made for a super relaxing stay, and the bed was seriously comfy. I loved that it was so close to the XL Center and the DLR, making it easy to get around, and the restaurant on site had some amazing food. Overall, it was a really great experience, and I'd totally come back again. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Here's what I liked about the hotel. Awesome location, super close to the XL Exhibition Center and DLR station, making it easy to get around. Everyone was really welcoming, and they even gave us warm cookies at check-in. Comfy and clean rooms. The room was spacious, the bed was super comfortable, and the bathroom was spotless. Good food options. The on-site restaurant and breakfast spread were pretty solid, with plenty of choices.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
Some maintenance issues. We ran into a few small problems, like a stuck sink plug and some non-working USB ports. My overall rating for this hotel would be 8.6 out of 10. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely, without a doubt. Despite a couple of minor hiccups with the plug and USBs, the overall experience was fantastic, and the staff really made me feel at home. I definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a comfortable stay with great service, especially if you're heading to the Excel Center or flying from London City Airport. I'm already thinking about my next trip back. Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.